Let's talk about financial infidelity. We just tackled how silence around money can turn into resentment and how money talks can reconnect you. What if the biggest betrayal in your relationship isn't emotional, but financial? Maybe one partner opens a secret credit card or makes a large purchase without telling the other, or hides debt out of shame. That's financial infidelity, and it's more common than you think. According to recent studies, 1 in 3 people admit to hiding money-related decisions from their partner. Hi, I'm Wealth Advisor Marissa Klaers, and I help high net worth couples build and manage their wealth through clear and open communication. A couple came to me after they were denied a mortgage. The wife had no idea her husband had $40,000 in credit card debt. He wasn't being malicious, he was ashamed. But that secrecy broke their trust. So what should you do if you or your partner had a financial indiscretion? You'll have to rebuild trust, and you do that with full transparency. Think of it like cleaning out a closet. Intimidating at first, but liberating once everything is out in the open. Start by disclosing everything. Share all your accounts, review credit reports together, and establish a system where both of you have full visibility. Openness and honesty are key to moving forward. Bring in a third party. A wealth advisor can serve as a neutral guide, preferably a professional with experience advising couples. They can help mediate tough conversations and suggest systems that build trust and collaboration, not blaming. Schedule a financial transparency meeting with an advisor this week. Discuss any concerns openly, without placing blame. Address the root of the issue. Why does your partner feel the need to hide purchases or engage in secret financial behavior? Listen with compassion and understanding. List all incomes, debts, and assets. Review credit cards and recurring expenses together. Set shared financial goals, such as saving for a home, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. Create a joint budget that includes personal spending allowances for both partners to maintain independence. Use financial management tools or apps to track spending and promote real-time transparency. Agree on a process for large purchases, such as setting a spending limit that requires mutual agreement. It's not about perfection. It's about honesty and progress. Building trust takes time, so don't expect to resolve everything in a single conversation. Consistency is crucial. Over time, these open discussions will become one of your greatest strengths, bringing you closer as partners in your financial success. If this feels familiar, book a no-pressure consultation using the link in the description to begin resetting your money dynamic. Coming up in Pitfall 3, when there's no secrecy, but still 2 very different financial paths.